Hi, it's Anthony from ocuplay.com, and today we're checking out the VR cover, silicone cover, orange version for the Oculus Quest 2. This is the silicone cover that we've covered already. We've covered the grey, blue and magenta versions, and they've brought out the orange version. So let's get this fitted and see how it looks. Right, so here we have all the colours currently offered from VR cover. We've got the grey one, magenta, blue, orange and mint versions that we have covered in the past. We've covered these three, and in the next recent two videos you're going to be seeing me cover the orange and the mint. So here we have our stock facial interface. That's what you get with the Quest itself, and assembling it is so easy. You've got sort of a recess inside here, and they just basically tell you to get both edges on, and then once you've got the edges on, it's already plain sailing really. You've just got to get everything all over the edges here, and then make sure everything's all in on the inside of the foam, and there you have it. That's it, pretty much installed. Right, so here is the orange edition on the stock facial interface. You've got the nose flap here, again quite thick compared to the facial interface nose flaps, so you might feel that. Being silicone, it is a little bit of a dust and dirt magnet, so you don't want to drop this on the floor or a carpet because it's definitely going to pick it up on the actual silicone itself. But on the other side, it's wipeable, and you can actually get rid of any sweat just by wiping the actual silicone down with a wipe or a wet cloth. So let's get this fitted onto our Quest and see how it looks. So here we have it fitted onto our Quest 2. I think it looks really smart. Big fan of orange, and it really is striking against the white of the Quest 2 here, I think. So this and the mint edition really add a nice pop of colour, as does the magenta version. And if you want to go safe, you've got the grey and you've got the blue as well. So this orange edition retails for $14 from VR Cover directly. And if you found this video helpful, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It really helps us out. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.